Home theaters and sound systems continually get closer to replicating the experience of seeing a movie in theaters or hearing a musician live. These systems require skilled professionals to install and maintain them. Electronic home entertainment equipment installers and repairers help customers achieve the optimal audiovisual experience by installing or adjusting audio and television receivers, stereo systems, and other home entertainment equipment. These workers spend much of their time in customers' homes, so customer service skills are especially important, in addition to the technical expertise to make fine adjustments and repairs. Hours and work weeks can vary based on customer demand. Home entertainment installers and repairers typically need a post-secondary certificate related to electronics or wiring.